Yummy. Oof, look at all of that peanut butter. So we're getting started today by dumping 16 to 18 ounces of peanut butter right here into our baking dish. Now I'm going with some creamy Jif, but you can choose whatever you like. Now I have some Hershey's chocolate icing. You can use any kind of chocolate icing that you want, just don't use the whipped kind. So we're getting all of that out there, all the chocolate frosting. Let's go ahead and scoop the rest of that on out. Perfect. Now, of course, you wanna just take a little minute to just mix it all together. So you're gonna combine that peanut butter along with that frosting. Oof, yeah, it is going to be a nice chocolatey brown color. Oh gosh, there is nothing better than peanut butter and chocolate, I swear. We got all of that kind of mixed up, and it is kind of thickening up a little bit. So you'll be able to tell that that kind of starts to happen. Now I'm gonna add some marshmallows, a couple cups, let's see. I'm just gonna throw in what I think that looks pretty good right there, just a couple more. And I'm also gonna add some peanuts. So I'm kind of going for this easy fudge Rocky Road style here. I'll put, let's say, maybe just a little bit more peanuts. Perfect, okay. So you can of course add whatever ingredients you want right in there and then come back in and give it just another mix so you kind of get all of those marshmallows and those peanuts in that chocolate and peanut butter mixture. So give it a go, pick what you want, share with what your great ideas are. I would love to know because making these recipes better is so fun. I'm gonna coat all of these marshmallows here and we'll be right back. Finishing up smoothing out this chocolate and this peanut butter with the marshmallows, and I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna have to. You've got to try this. If you haven't tried this yet, this is your sign, this is your calling. It is definitely a must try. So we have 4 ingredients. 18 ounces of peanut butter, we got 16 ounces of that chocolate frosting, a couple cups of marshmallow, and a couple cups of peanuts. That's it. We mix it all together. Now I'm gonna pop it in the fridge just so it sets up nice and quickly. That way I can cut right into this and show you guys how delicious this easy fudge is. Ooh, I can't wait to show you. All right, we got a 4 ingredient, absolutely delicious treat. Look at that. We are all set up here, ready to go. Now, if all goes well, I should be able to lift this right out. Yes, just like that. Look at that. I can lift this easy fudge right out of my baking dish. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Now I can just pull this paper down a little bit. Oh, I'm so ready to dig in here. I let it sit for a couple hours. That's it. Oh, it's nice, soft, creamy. Oh yeah. Who can't make this? Anyone can make this, you guys. And chocolate, peanut butter, this is the jam. Ooh, look at those marshmallows right there. Marshmallow, peanuts, right in with that chocolate and peanut butter. I make this stuff all the time. It is like my favorite, so I knew it was gonna be delicious. You guys, wow, it is so, so good. It tastes like a chocolate peanut butter, like a Reese's cup. Then with the marshmallows, a little bit of crunch from the peanut. I absolutely love it. Now, of course, you can add in a bunch of different things. And in fact, if you're gonna do anything different, share it with me in the comments, you guys. Like, follow, and share if you enjoy, and we'll see you later.